Welcome to Dream Homes Tour Luxury Design. Today, we take you inside an architectural gem in the heart of Dubaï. A luxurious modern home that blends innovation, elegance, and breathtaking design. If you're passionate about real estate, design, or simply dream of living large, you're going to love this exclusive tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a luxury property design like this one. Let's step inside this royal masterpiece.
Every space a story, every echo has a call. In these walls of dreams, we build our peace with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxuries not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Crystal lights above, reflections deep and wide, modern lines with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace. The signs a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches through like curves and stone, that comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe, where beauty whispers you've achieved. In these walls of dreams we rise, we heal, where passion paints what words can't feel. Luxury lives where peace is found, not just in mansions, in the sound of silence, stillness scented air. Oh, design your world with love and care.
Here, luxury is not about excess. It's about details, the refined finishes, the carefully chosen materials, and the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Invite you to imagine what life could be like within these walls. This home speaks the universal language of dreams, elegance, serenity, and pure inspiration. Owning a property like this in Dubai isn't just about having a home. It's about experiencing a lifestyle, royal lifestyle. From exclusive golf clubs to fine dining and top-tier security, this location offers everything high-end living demands. Whether you're investing or relocating, this property design is a symbol of success, comfort, and architectural brilliance.
These walls of dreams we build our peace with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxuries not just what we see, but silhouettes above, reflections deep and wide, modern lines with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace.
This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle statement. From luxury, entertaining to peaceful retreat, this estate offers it all. Valued at $25 million, this property sits at the intersection of art, architecture, and elite living. If you dream of modern luxury, architectural brilliance, and breathtaking design, this home delivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-end real estate tour from around the world. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a glimpse of elite living. Dream Homes Design. Real homes, real luxury, real inspiration.